Today I'm going to show you how to properly do Bulgarian split squats. One of the most powerful exercises for building strong glutes, toned legs and amazing balance. Most people rush this move or set it up wrong, which leads to wobbly form and wasted effort. In this tutorial, I'll break it down step by step so you know exactly how to set up, what muscles to target and how to avoid the most common mistakes. By the end, you'll feel confident adding Bulgarian split squats into your workouts. And trust me, your legs and glutes will thank you. Now, let's get it done. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to break it down, one of the best exercises for building up your legs and your glutes, and this is Bulgarian split squats. So a lot of people have this love and hate relationship with this exercise. Personally, I love it because it's very challenging and it's super effective. And as you know, if things are challenging, they are usually the exercises you should not skip, of course. But today I'm gonna break it down for a home setup. So if you are having only one dumbbell at home, you can use this exercise. If you have two dumbbells, also if you don't have any equipment, this exercise is also very good. But I'm gonna, of course, give you the examples how you can make it more challenging so it's effective for you. But if you're a beginner, trust me, just body weight will be enough because simply it is that hard. So let's start at the beginning. So how we position ourselves. You're gonna need a bench or a sofa or a chair, anything that you can sit on. So one good option is that you're close to the wall, so you can have also one hand on the wall or another chair just for you support and the balance. And now we're going to choose one working leg. So usually I advise you to choose the leg that is the weakest leg, so that you can build from that side. So let's say start with the left one, you extend, and this will be your working leg. Okay, so extend it, so you have like a little mark where your distance from first leg and the second leg will be. So next one, you put the foot on the edge of the bench, chair or sofa, and now you're gonna just drop down. Okay, so here you have two options. If you want to be glute focused, you're gonna go a little bit more forward with your torso. In this way you're gonna actually stretch your glutes a little bit more. If you want to focus on the quads, the distance between the bench and the leg will be a little bit less, and you can just go up and down so you can have more of the quad engagement. So let's say we're doing the glutes today, so make sure that the knee is kind of aligned with your heel in a way, so, and you can really have the stretch on the bottom. So when you're here, of course your core is engaged and you're driving through the foot up, through the entire foot and so on. And you're really engaging the muscles. You're going to soon fire up your quads and your glutes equally. All right, so now I'm gonna give you an option how you can make this exercise challenging. Let's say you have one dumbbell. I like to have it in the leg that I'm working, so the working is always the extended leg. And let's start with 10 reps. After 10 reps, you're gonna drop the weight, you're gonna do 10 body weight, and then we're gonna hold it. So that's like one example how you can make it really challenging. So we go down, pick it up, okay? So core tight, shoulders back, and we're going. So we go down, really pushing up. If you want to hold on to something, please do, and really focus on the glute and legs. Good, 3, down, good, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go down, leave it. Let's go for 10 body weight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Now we're gonna hold for 10 seconds on the bottom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Oh my goodness. And let me tell you, this is gonna fire up your glutes and your legs like nothing else. You're gonna be also out of breath. Okay, so of course, to make it equal, we have to do everything on the other side. But my goodness, you might feel a little bit unbalanced right now, which is great. That is only one example. I'm gonna give you another one if you don't have any weight. Okay, so let's go. Place the back foot up. We go down, grab it, and we go. So for that, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go down, leave it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Oh. Shake it off. Shake it off. Yes. And this will fire up your glutes like nothing else. It's really good, so shake it off. That's how you actually do it. If you're brave enough, of course, have 2 dumbbells on each side, but this is also for advanced as well. And yes, incorporate weighted body weight and static holds in your training. And if you're an athlete and if you are like really want to torture yourself, I'm going to give you another one. For example, after you hold, if you still have the energy for it, you do a plyo jumps. Okay, so we go here after you finish holding, or if not, you can do another set if you want to, because it's going to be really brutal. You just do the jumps. Good. And so on. So this is another great way of doing it, and yeah, for sure it will burn and fire up those legs, but it's a great unilateral exercises. And of course, when you're doing the workouts, make sure that you include the unilateral exercises in your routines. All right, so I'll give you now the option if you don't have any weights at home. Let's put this aside. So for this one, you can make it challenging as well by doing exactly the same body weight, but we're gonna do the pulse, okay? So stand the working leg, come up, abs engaged. Now we're gonna do one pulse. So 1, 2, come up, and we go for 9 more reps. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a little breather, 10 seconds static hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift it up. Ooh. This one is also pretty challenging, and for sure you're gonna feel it. Okay. Let's do everything on the other side. The pulse, lifting up, and we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This leg will also suffer. And then, okay, brace it, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Shake it off. Okay, very good. Whew. Shake it off. I will show you another one just as a bonus, and then I will explain to you how to incorporate this Bulgarian split squat in the routine at home so that it will make it effective and challenging at the same time. Okay, and another awesome option is also to do a deficit lunges. This is even more brutal. So you have a stepper here or any elevated platform, and again, measure your working distance, step up with your leg, the back foot will go on the bench. Now what you need to do is just drop down. Make sure that the knee is actually below the stepper. If it's not, then there's no point of the stepper, okay? So in this way, you're gonna actually really stretch your glute muscles or work on the quads as well, and you lift up. Oh my goodness, it's really challenging, but you can do it. So we're just gonna go for 10 reps of it on each side, and then you can actually implement your weighted one, and you can do everything as we did before. Body weight with the pulse, weighted with the pulse, static hold, body weight, like you create your own routine. But remember, when we're training at home and we are limited with our weights, right, it's always good to improvise a little bit, okay? So intensity is really important when you want to build up your body. That I also want to mention. The intensity is really key here. It doesn't matter how long you're training, as long as the training is intense for you for the session that you're doing, okay? That's really important because it's going to give you faster results, and at the same time, of course, keep your core engaged at all times. Like really brace your core. Like if somebody wants to punch you, what do? You tense your core, so you keep it active all the time. That's another key as well. And of course, pay attention to your posture as well, and so on. All right, let's go into it. So focus on the really deep stretch here, yeah, and we come up. 1, good, 2, 3, 4, good, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And swap the legs. Okay. And go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here you have it. Another tip I'm going to give you. So you can totally rest between doing both legs. Let's say you do another exercise in between. If you're in a circuit training, then go with the other leg and so on. So in this way, your legs will rest and be fresh to push with another leg. So if you're just going from one leg to another, it's not fair to the second leg because it's also fatigued from the having it up and stabilizing you and so on. So yeah, whew, that's it. I hope you like this tutorial with a little bit of examples how you can include your Bulgarian split squats into your routine, so that I don't give you just an exercise tutorial, but I also give you examples how you can actually train and what to do. So if you want to see my next workout with this exercise that we just did, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the bell button, because you're gonna get notifications, of course, for the workout that is gonna be uploaded next. All right, so that's it. Check also my Patreon site, where I go also into more details and more workouts and behind the scenes and so on. So thank you so much for your support there. And yeah, I see you in my next one. Hope you like this one. So let me know if you have a love or hate relationship with this exercise.